Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for September 5th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, starting with this one, these two ones look into here. Putting a 1 in one of these two cells. We also have 7, 8, 9, no buddies for those. Always interested in things looking through here, and the 2 and 4 are very nice here. So the 2 and 4 look up into this box, removing 2 and 4 from these three cells. And we know they aren't in these cells because they already have different givens in them. So there's only 2 cells left for 2 and 4. So those 2 cells must be 2, 4. So we have a hidden 2, 4 pair. And that does leave a triple behind. We need the 3, the 5, and the 6. And this one's not 5. So that 3, 5, 6 removes 3, 5, 6 from the rest of the column. So let's just think about what's left. We need the 1. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 1, 7, 8, 9. So everything sees something. We've got this 8 here, this 9 here, this 1 here. So I'm just going to mark it up. 1, 7, 8, 9. And then we can remove the 1, the 9, and then the 2 8s from here, and then also the 9 from here. Okay, nothing to do with that immediately, but I think it's nice to have that marked up. All right, back up here, we did get this 2, 4 pair. So now the 4 has a buddy with the 2, 4 pair. Putting a 4 somewhere in here. And then the 2 has a buddy with the 2, 4 pair along with this 2, putting a 2 in one of these two. The important bit is that these can't be 2, 4 anymore. They already couldn't be over here. I briefly looked at whether 5 was limited in this row, but unfortunately it can be in 2 places, I guess. Just need to remove it from one of those and we'll be good. Can place it. All right. I think that's what I'm able to find here. Let's move on to the next band. So starting with this 2, we do have 2 2s looking in. This 2 looks down. We can place this 2. Let's follow up on the 2 since we just placed it. What's a 2 in one of those? All right, other than the 2, we also have 1, 3, and 6. So both the 3 and 6, ooh, this is very nice actually. Good thing we found this 3, 5, 6 triple first. So both this 3 and 6 look into this box here. They're in the same rows, right? So where are 3 and 6 in this box / this row? And the answer is they have to go here. So we have another hidden pair, just like that 2, 4 hidden pair. This is a 3, 6 hidden pair. But the 3 resolves it. We get the 6 and the 3. Or if you prefer, the 3 was a hidden single, and then we got another hidden single 6. All right. So what do we do with these? Well, we have the 3, 5, 6 here. We have 3, 6 here. We have the 3. So the 6 looking down does put a 6 in one of these two. The 3s, we basically know where they are vertically. Okay. So that was the 3 and 6. 1, 2. All right, this 1 looking in here does put a 1 in one of these two. If we can find another digit that does that, we don't know which one does that yet, then it would join the 1. We don't have that yet. We have 8, 7. Just looking to see if there's anything else to do here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 6. Always suspicious when we've got a couple givens here. Unfortunately, the 2 is doubled up. So we need to place 1, 3, 6 into these 4 cells. Okay, I am seeing, though, that the 3, these 3s look in. So we can actually place this 3, and then that makes it much clearer that these 3s look up, and the 3 ends up in one of these 2 cells. Okay. We also have these 2 3s looking up, so let's mark 3s here as well, just seeing if there's more we can do with 3s, but yeah, we're just down to 3s in the top band, and we don't know how they're laid out yet. Okay, so nothing else to do with this 1 and 6. They're just not limited in this column at all. We have this 1, but that's it. All right. So we also have this 4 looking in here, and that does put a 4 in one of these two. Oh, no, the 4 is placed. Oh, because we have 2 4s looking in. I'm basically doing a vertical scan at this point. We get that 4. The 4 does what I said needs to happen here, which is it looks into here, causing a hidden 1, 4 pair. Because 1 and 4 are both limited to these 2 cells because of this 1, 4. And so that's going to make a pair here as well. It's going to be a 5, 7 pair. This 5 tells us the order, 7 and 5. So now this can't be 7, and then this is the other 8, 9 for the row. We also got this 5. These 5s look up. This 5 looks in, putting a 5 in one of these two. We got the 7. Does the 7 do anything? Nothing of note. Okay. How about the rest of this box? Because this box is down to 4 open cells. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 5, 7, 8, 9. The 8 looks in, putting an 8 in one of these two. That is going to point. Now, can I do anything with that? Not yet. So I just have to remember that these 8s point, which is unfortunate. But that means that these are 5, 7, 9. Good to know. And then this sees a 9, so this is 5, 7, 8. Okay. This row? I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next band here. So let's start here. We have the 4s looking in here. That does place this 4. Okay, so 4's in one of these two now. 4, 3, we got already 9. All right, 9 ends up in one of these two in this box. That points in here along with this 9. This 9 looks down, putting a 9 in one of these two. Nice. All right, 3 and 4 are already here. How about the 8? Well, the 8 does look in here, putting 8 in one of these 3. Actually, not this one. That's going to point into this box, putting an 8 somewhere up here. Okay. The rest of this row is 4 digits. Let's look at it. We need a 1, 2, 5, and 7. Well, this one's not 7, so this is 1, 2, 5. This can't be 1 or 5, so it's 2, 7. Oh, this can't be 5. Ooh, so 5 in this row can only go here. And this is a 1, 2, 7. Oh, it's not a 2. Nice. Oh, so then the 2 goes here. Okay, that removed a 2 corner mark. That actually does place the 2 in here. Only 1 2 corner mark left. That removes a 3 corner mark, but there's 2 places left for 3, so we gotta be careful. That does not reduce this row to 4, but I still feel like this cell here is interesting because it's not 1 or 5. So, in fact, it's the column that's interesting. Let's look at that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. We need 6, 7, 9. So I'm going to mark that out. Actually, yeah, I'm going to mark it out. 6, 7, 9. I thought I saw something, but I didn't. Oh, this 7, 9. Probably what I saw. There's a 6 there. All right. That means this isn't 6. Doesn't help. All right. Now this is down to 4 digits. We need a 1, which goes here. Oh, let's not mark it up yet. I need to think first. We need a 1, 3, 5, and 8. This can't be 3, so this is, or 5. So this is 1, 8 only. I think this can be any. Oh, this can't be 8 because of the pointing 8. So this is 1, 3, 5. It's not a 5 either. And then this can't be 3. So this is 1, 5, 8. Oh, can't be 1 because of the box. All right. A little messy, but got there. I don't think this resolves. Something just needs to breathe on it and it'll resolve, but we don't have that yet. All right. Okay, what was I working on? Good question. How about this box, which is down to 4 open cells? We need a 1, 7, 8, 9. This can't be 7 or 9, so this is 1, 8. I feel like I just placed a 1, 8 somewhere up here. Okay. And then 1, 7, 8, 9. I think this can be any of them. Interesting. Okay. I think what I want to do now is scan the stacks. So we have 3, 4, and 9 here. The 3s we have marked. The 4s are done. The 9, I don't think there's anything to do with 9. Yeah, not that I see. Okay, and then we've got 2, 4, and 5. So the 2s are marked. The 4s are not marked. Oh no, the 4s are done. Sorry, I said that last time. And the 5... Okay, the 5 ends up in one of these two. I somehow missed that with this 5 looking into here. We have 5, 3, and 4, 3, 4. Okay, so 5's in one of these two. All right, that's it for buddies. Anything else I can do here? Sorry, adjusting here. Well, this stack, this is down to 4 digits here. We need the 1, 6, 7, 8. This can't be 1, so this is 6, 7, 8. This can't be 8, so this is 1, 6, 7. And this can be any of them. That's really not limited. Okay. I think I'm going to move on to the next stack here. So let's start with 2, 3, 6. I try to start with the box with the fewest givens because it's easiest to scan the buddies. So 2 just doesn't have a buddy of note. We already got the 2, 4 pair up there. The 3s are basically done vertically. We got the 6. We got those marked here. Okay. And then we also have the 4, 5, and 8. So the 8s we can actually mark. 8's in one of these two. I did see it lines up with these, but it's because we have this given 8. So nothing special there. Okay, so I got the 3, 4, 8. So that's it for buddies. So anything else I can do here? We do have the 1 and 9 looking into this box. Putting 1 and 9 to these 3 cells. It's close to being able to do something with that. I don't think 7 can escape, so it's not a 179. Okay. Well, nothing with that yet. This column is down to 4 digits, so we need 1, 2, 4, 9, it looks like. 1, 2, 4, 9. Well, this can't be 2 or 9, so this is 1, 4, and that makes a 1, 4 pair in this row, a naked pair. Because this can only be 1, 4, and this can only be 1, 4, so one of them will be 1 and one of them will be 4, because they can't be the same digit. So this is not a 1, and that does limit 1 to one of these 2 cells down here, which means 1 is in one of these 2 cells in this box. All right. So anything else with this 1, 4 pair? It does leave a 5, 7, 8, so this is only 5, 7 for the row. All right, what else? I was looking at these. So 1, 2, 4, 9. This can't be the 2, so this is 1, 4, 9. And this can't be the 4 for many reasons, so this is 1, 2, 9. Okay. Nothing else super special out of that as far as I can tell. We're almost making a triple out of these, but almost doesn't count. If it did, we could do a lot more. All right, so last stack here. I'm going to start with the 1, 2, 6 here. The 1 doesn't seem to have anything to do. The 2s are done. The 6s are done. So other than that, we have the 3, 4, 5. We got the 3s marked. We got the 4s. Oh, there's just not much to do with 4s. The 5s are marked. Okay. This column is down to 4 digits. So we need a 1, 3, 4, 8. Okay. This can't be 1 or 4 because of the 2, 4 pair. So this is 3, 8. Interesting. And this can't be 1. So this is 3, 4, 8. Oh, it's not an 8 either. 1 or 8. Okay, 3, 4. Seems promising, but I don't know what to do with it. Another quadruple that you just need to sneeze on. We need to sneeze on this one and sneeze on this one. All right. Let's see. What can I actually do here, though? I don't think actually sneezing will help, but I could try that. Maybe this row, just because it is down to 5 digits, but it's all bi values so far. So what do we need in this row? We need a 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. This can't be 3, 4. So this is 6, 7, 9. It's not a 6 either. So it's down to 7, 9 only. And then this can't be 3 or 6. So this is 4, 7, 9. Ooh, and that, oh, we actually have a 7, 9 pair here. So that does make this a 4 and a 3 and a 6. That's what we needed. Nice. So that's an 8. Gives us the 5. This is 7 or 9. All right, down here, that does give us the 1 and the 4. It gives us the 1, 8, 9, and 7. We get our 4 here. That's 2 and 4. We get our 3 and 5. That's 9 and 7. That's our 9. We get our 1 here, which places the 3 also. We get our 8. Oh, 3 in the corner. We get left with a 6, 7 pair up here, but the 6 resolves it. That's 7 and 6. We get our 5 here. This just completely collapsed. All right. Okay, so that's the 7. What do we need for this column? A 1. Places the 1 in here. We also get our 9 and 7. That's our 1. We get our 8 and 9. We get our 7, 9, and 8. Wow, we get our 5. This is a 7. All right, we place the 8, 2, and 5 here. This is our 6. That's 2 and 6. And we're done. All right. Yeah, interesting that it just completely collapsed. All I had to do was find the 7, 9 pair. And to do that, I needed to justify penciling this row, which had 5 open cells. I'm pretty sure it was this 7, 9 pair. Trying to remember. But yeah, that was interesting. Found some good stuff today. A couple random pairs showed up that you just kind of have to find by penciling. All right, well, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.